there, it's me, Tabitha, and today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your fresh piercings. First, I remove my glasses and make sure my hair is pushed back out of my face. This is to ensure that there's nothing in the way of my piercing. There's my Aftercare solution and a Q-tip. I begin by gently wetting the Q-tip, making sure that I'm not putting too much product on so there's nothing dripping. I make sure I close my Aftercare and set it out of the way so I don't drop it, and then I begin cleaning my ear. I clean on top and beneath and make sure I go around my earring. Alright, now I'm all done with cleaning the front. I'm going to take my Q-tip and flip it to the unused end. I'm going to lightly wet this as well. Close your Aftercare and make sure you put it out of the way. I'm going to fold my ear forward and clean all around the ring back there as well. Make sure you do use the unused side of the Q-tip when you clean the back of your ear or wherever your piercing is, and that's just to ensure you aren't cleaning with something that's already been contaminated. Okay guys, and that's going to be it for this video. Just a reminder to make sure before you clean your piercings, you wash your hands. That's going to reduce the risk of infection and just ensure your piercing stays as clean as possible. If you want to see more videos like this or have any video requests, leave them down in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.